Hi guys, I'm Caroline from Framebridge, and today I'm going to tell you about how to create copies of your favorite old photos. Here is a vintage family photo that is float mounted in our classic Richmond frame. This is your point of reference. Here is a copy of that photo in our Mandalay bamboo frame, and believe it or not, this image was taken on an iPhone. All you have to do to create copies of photos that work perfectly for gifts for pretty much everyone in your family is take a picture of the photo, upload it to our site, we'll print and frame it in our factory in Kentucky and ship it back to you in just days. So here's how to get that photo to be absolutely perfect on your phone. So here's our vintage family photo. As you can see, it's a little bit curled. This happens with most old photographs. So we recommend weighting on the edges. You can use almost anything for this. Paperweights, edges of books, notebooks, really whatever you have on hand. There we go. Then just use your phone to take a photo. The key here is that you want to line up the edges of the photo with the edges of your frame and the phone to limit any sort of distortion. As you can see, there's a little bit of glare here. The way to prevent that is you can use your autofocus function to focus on the middle of the photo, then move your camera in and out until you find a sweet spot with next to no glare. Once you find that spot, take the photo and then just crop it to your desired crop. We probably recommend going in along the border on this photo and then upload it to our site where we will print and frame it for you in our factory and send it to you ready to hang.